It's 2 a.m. Your screen is the only light in the room. You've rewritten the same proposal 4 times, shaved every unnecessary word, attached the perfect portfolio piece. You hover over Submit. Heart rate up, hit send, nothing. 47th time this month. You were sold the dream. Ditch the cubicle, work from anywhere, get paid in dollars while the world sleeps. Freedom, autonomy, the laptop millionaire life. What they forgot to mention, you just walked into the biggest, most cutthroat global auction house ever built. Your skills aren't special anymore, they're inventory, and the bidding starts the second you wake up. This is freelancing platforms in 2026. The numbers don't lie. Last year, freelancers worldwide pulled in $1.5 trillion in earnings. In the US alone, 77 million people are already doing it, projected to hit 86.5 million by 2027, over half the workforce. The platforms themselves, an $8.4 billion market growing 15 to 19% a year. CEOs are hiring freelancers 260% more than before. Companies want talent without the salary, benefits, or drama. And AI? It's not killing the game, it's changing the bids. Suddenly everyone needs someone who can prompt the machines, optimize the output, or fix what the robots broke. Demand is exploding, but so is supply. 1.5 billion people globally now call themselves freelancers. That's not a side hustle, that's a new labor market. So how does the machine actually work? 2 main arenas, 2 different games. Upwork is the corporate coliseum. You scroll job posts, burn connects to submit proposals. Basic accounts get about 10 free connects a month. Everything else costs 15 cents each. A hot job can eat 6 to 25 connects depending on demand. You write a pitch that actually sounds human because clients can smell the copy-paste from 3 continents away. You quote hourly or fixed. Contract starts, payment protection kicks in, and Upwork's variable fee, 0 to 15%, locks in based on skill demand and market balance. High-demand AI work might cost you almost nothing extra. Saturated graphic design? Closer to the ceiling. Fiverr is the bazaar. You build gigs, neat little digital storefronts with 3 packages: basic, standard, premium. You optimize title and tags so the algorithm loves you. Client clicks, orders, done. No proposals, just sales. But the cut is simple and merciless. Flat 20% on everything you earn, every single time. No volume discount, no loyalty reward. Either way, the real product isn't your work, it's your reputation score. On Upwork, it's the job success score. Anything below 90% and you become invisible. On Fiverr, it's reviews and seller level. One bad client who ghosts or demands endless revisions can tank months of progress. The algorithm doesn't reward talent. It rewards consistency, speed, and 5-star delivery under pressure. First month is usually brutal. You spend more on connects and time than you make. You learn that available worldwide means you're competing at 3 a.m. with someone in Bangladesh who can deliver the same logo for 40% less and still clear rent. Here's the math they never show in the motivational reels. Global average rate hovers between $21 and $28 an hour. US freelancers who go full-time average around $99,000 a year. But that's the mean, dragged up by the top 10%. Most beginners clear under $30,000 their first year after platform fees, connects, taxes, payment processing, and the occasional unpaid revision. Your effective take-home on a $1,000 project can drop to $700 fast. And the platforms, they're not charities. Upwork's variable fee funds the protection and the marketplace. Fiverr's 20% is the price of instant visibility. Either way, you're paying rent on the auction house that owns the crowd. The hype says 6 figures by month 6. Beach in Thailand. Passive income while you sleep. Reality is quieter and meaner. 82% of skilled freelancers say opportunities grew last year. But so did the stress. You're now your own marketing department, accountant, project manager, and customer service rep, all unpaid. Clients disappear mid-project. Scope creeps. Time zones turn your calendar into a nightmare. One platform policy change and your pipeline evaporates overnight. There's deeper irony here. These tools were supposed to democratize opportunity. And in many ways they did. 15 million freelancers in India alone. Talented developers in Pakistan earning in dollars what used to take years of local corporate grinding. Globalization finally arrived at your keyboard. But the flip side is brutal. High-cost country freelancers now compete in a true world market where the lowest sustainable bidder often wins. Specialize or die. Raise your rates or get buried. The platforms don't care where you live. They just take their cut and move to the next auction. And the risks stack quietly. No health insurance, no paid sick days, no 401k match. One account suspension, fair or not, and your entire income stream vanishes. Intellectual property can get murky if contracts are sloppy. AI is already eating the low-end gigs that used to be beginner entry points. The platforms keep the data, the relationships, the algorithm. You keep the hustle. Yet some people break the system. They niche hard. Prompt engineering for enterprise, compliance-heavy copy, specialized video editing for one industry. They use the platforms to land the first 5 clients, then move the best ones off platform entirely. They treat reviews like currency and systems like oxygen. They price for value, not hours. They build leverage. The machine doesn't reward everyone equally. But it does reward the ones who stop playing like employees and start thinking like owners of a real business. So here's the question that stays with you after the laptop closes tonight. You now have access to the entire planet's talent pool and the entire planet's clients, 24/7, no borders, no gatekeepers. Are these platforms your escape hatch to a borderless career? Or just the most sophisticated auction house ever invented, where the house always collects its cut and you're the one on the block? The bids are open, the clock is running. The only person who decides what happens next is you.